Welcome to HTML Speedrun episode 1. We are starting a new series covering the HTML. By the end of this video, we are going to learn what is HTML, basic structure of web page, and how to create an HTML page. In brief, HTML is a coding language used to create and structure content on the internet. It allows developers to add text, images, videos, and other media to the web page and arrange them in logical and organized way using set of tags. Especially HTML is what makes up the basic structure of web page. This is the theory. Since you have clicked on this video, you must have a little bit idea of what you want to learn. And if you have no idea, let us see. HTML is just a programming language used for web pages. So the IDE of HTML is Notepad. I'm sure everyone has Notepad in their computer. HTML has head tag and body tag. Everything comes under these two tags. Under head tag, we have title, which is used to give title to the web page, and also style, whereas body contains all the details of the web page. Along with HTML, we are also going to study about CSS. CSS is just used to add decoration to the HTML pages. There is inline CSS, internal CSS, and external CSS. These types of CSS you are going to learn later on in this videos. Now this is a web page I have created. You are going to learn how to create this later on. Bear with me now. So in this web page, you can see the part of form. This is the title. Now, whenever you go to a site, you have option to inspect the site. Just click Ctrl, Shift and I and you get an inspection tab. Here, you can see all the code which I have entered. So, this is the code I have entered and it also helps you to find what you have written correspondence with what is there in web page. For example, when I go to the line input type text, it shows it is used for this textbook box. It also shows all the details. So when you are using the web page and you want to check something, just shift Control plus Shift plus I. If you want to learn how you have created the web page or how someone else has created his or her web page, just click on Ctrl Shift I and you can learn everything about their web page. To start an HTML page, you need to right click, select New and select on Text Document. Now write whatever you want. For this first lesson, let us start just creating your own web page. So we are starting web page. Now let us open it. Here you get options such as File, Edit, Format, View and Help. In Format, we can increase or decrease the font size. Let us increase the font size for our convenience. So, HTML always starts with the tag HTML. HTML is not at all case sensitive. So this will also work. Then we simultaneously close the page HTML. If we want to work on HTML5, which is the latest version of HTML, just in the tag put doc type HTML. Now we have two parts, head and head close. So this forward slash is used to denote the closing of the tags. So you can see there is a big box of HTML and under it there is a small box of header. So inside the head, we use tag title. You have seen it already. And let us close title. And inside the title, we write what we want to name our web page. For example, my first page. Now, let us move on to the next part, which is body. Let us open the body and simultaneously close the body. How it helps us? It helps us to remember we have opened the tag or closed the tag. Otherwise, our code will not work. Inside the body, let us type something. This is my first page. Okay. Now let us format it a bit and let us click on File, Save As, Web Page, and write .html. Now click on Save. Here you can see we have a web page. Now if we click on this, you can see here this is my first page and this is my first page. These are all the simple steps you need to know to create web page. We will see all the related elements to font in the next video. I hope you had a wonderful experience. We have covered only the basic. We need to go in depth about how to create different elements of the web page. Let's stop for now. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out our next videos too. So see you later. Bye.